So as a busy mom with 2 kids, 2 toddlers, mind you, I am tired. I need good eye cream for my eye bags. So that's why I want to pick up this Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the DermInfusion Fill and Repair Eye Cream. This was gifted by the brand, but it's always, I would give my honest opinion. So the one thing you're going to see this beautiful needle-like nozzle. So you're really going to be able to be precise with where you put it. So just put a few drops here, a few drops here. And we're gonna go in. I always like to use like the ring finger to kind of rub it all in. And I'm gonna tell you 2 the ingredients. So this has some great ingredients. This has hyaluronic acid, which gives you a plumping barrier and restoring hydration, edison and bibsol, which will prevent water loss and barrier damage while deeply hydrating. This has a peptide complex, which will support anti-aging, firming, and hydration. Kakadu plum, which is an antioxidant protecting skin from damage with stabilizing free radicals. So as you can see, this gives me a nice and plump look under the eye. I'll bring you in even closer. Oh, no, closer. If it will. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, this really will help plump any fine lines and wrinkles you have under your eyes and really help you look more youthful and awake, which is something we always want. So if you're looking for a new serum